right now we're seeing this big revolution where a lot of people think they can replace all the people that work in their organizations in customer service with some sort of AI. I personally don't believe that's actually a great idea. I think that it has a lot of bad consequences to try to just replace customer service with a bot. NLP is natural language processing is not that great right now, and so I think right now a lot of people just like have this idea in their head that you can just magically make customer service automated and not have to pay or employ all these people. But for me, like at Olark, our philosophy is much more on like, hey, you have people working in your company, you have people working in customer service. How can we with technology make those people 10 times as efficient or help those people, feel 10 times as good about, doing their job every day, going to work every day. And so, the interesting thing about remote work, right, is it's very easy to do customer service remotely. And that if you have the right software in place, you can, do that work from your house, on your couch, after you take your kids to school, before they come back. Like it's a job that really lends itself to remote work. And it's also a job where I think the human element actually adds quite a bit of value. So, if I'm trying to buy a product and I'm trying to buy a product from a bot versus a human being, if I'm talking to a bot, I know I'm talking to a bot. I'm not creating a relationship with this bot. If I'm talking to a human though, like I think you have the opportunity to build a deeper relationship and create a relationship between that person at your company and that shopper that adds brand value. It boosts word of mouth referral. It brings insight into your organization because people are now like communicating with customers, not just a robot trying to deflect them from talking to a human. From my standpoint, I'm pro humans. I think whenever we're shopping, whenever we're buying something, we want someone who understands what it's like to be a human and has a range of expertise and is not just sort of a fixed script that can answer like a couple different questions.